Hi, everybody. This is Jen Vasquez. I'm a marketing strategist specializing in Pinterest and repurposing your content so that you can spend less time marketing and more time doing what you love. So today I'm going to be sharing how to go ahead and claim your website. I have a WordPress website, so I'm going to show you from a WordPress perspective, but every single website, sort of the back end of a website, will have a place for you to put this information in. So I'm really excited to have you see this. Let me go ahead and share my screen. So let's go. So you're going to be dumped onto, when you sign into Pinterest, you're going to be dumped onto your business hub. You're going to go ahead and go and this, at this time, it is December of 2021. Everything changes a little bit, but bottom line is that you want to go to your settings in your Pinterest account. And so for this one, you're going to go near your face in the top right corner, and you're going to click on that little arrow, that down arrow, and you're going to click on settings. And you're going to go over to the far left of that site, and you're going to click claim. And right now my website is claimed. So I'm going to go ahead and unclaim it so I can show you how I do it. We're going to hit claim. And here is your HTML tag that you're going to go ahead and copy. Then you're going to go ahead and go onto the back end of your website. And the way that I like to do it so that it's all sort of in one spot, you can add this tag to the header of your website. If you have like a header section, I use HFCM for header tags, but for this one, I am using Yoast SEO. It is a plugin for WordPress and I highly recommend it. Yoast is all kinds of secret things when it comes to SEO. And so after you download this plugin for WordPress, you are going to be dumped into the general area. You want to go over on the far left where it says social. And when you go into the social area, you're going to make sure that your Pinterest URL is there first, and make sure all your URLs for all your social media are in here. Like I have to add my LinkedIn one. You'll discover all kinds of things you need to add when you come in here. But if you click on the top tab on the far right, which is Pinterest, this is the Pinterest confirmation. And so you'll go back over to Pinterest. And I'm going to do, I'm pretty sure it's the HTML tag. We'll find out very quickly if it's not. And go like this and then hit save changes. And it's saved. It automatically sort of formats that information, it looks like. So you're going to put, again, you're going to be choosing the HTML tag by copying it here and then going back to your the back end of your website and putting it into the Pinterest confirmation. Again, if you have a website other than WordPress here, there's gonna be a place where you can put in that tag in the header section. And then I'm gonna go back to Pinterest. I'm gonna click the word continue, and then I'm gonna verify by putting in my website and say verify. And we're all done. It's all connected. And I did that in 5 seconds. If I can do that, so can you. If you have any questions, put it in the bottom of this video and let me know. I am super happy to help you. Bye.